Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to create Simplified AI account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Then, on the address bar, search for simplified.com. Now, at the top right, you will see Sign Up button. Simply hit on that. From here, you have three options for sign up. That is sign up with Google, with Facebook, and with email. For now, we are using sign up with email option. Now, here add your email address. Then add strong password. Then retype your password again to confirm it. Once you are done, hit on the sign up button. Now, a verification code has been sent to your email address. Go to your Google Mail and check for that. Then simply copy the code and paste it there. Now, hit on verify and then you are good to go. You have successfully created an account in Simplified AI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.